Homemade shake which 40-year-olds use to shrink their belly. There is no doubt that belly fat makes some people look quite unattractive. However, medical experts explain that aside from the fact that excess weight isn't good for the appearance, it also puts obese people at a higher risk of suffering from advanced and severe health conditions. But the problem isn't anything that can't be fixed. Since following a strict diet regimen or exercising isn't easy, many people wish that there was some sort of a magic potion that could help them eliminate their belly fat. Well, what if we told you that we have a similar drink that could help do more than 50% of the job for you? And no, it's not magic. We are going to show you how to prepare a homemade health bomb shake which is nutritious and highly beneficial for your overall health. Best of all is that it is low in calories and it will provide you with the energy and vitamins your body needs throughout the day. For the preparation of this shake, the following ingredients will be needed: lemon, ginger, cucumber, and mint. Lemon. It's extremely rich in vitamin C and B1. In addition, lemon has high content of minerals that are vital for enabling proper functioning of the body organs: magnesium, sodium, iron, potassium, calcium, fluorine, and phosphorus. Lemon provides you with the following health benefits: strengthens the immunity, eliminates toxins from the organism, regulates the glucose levels in the blood. It contains potent antibacterial properties, precepts kidney stones, accelerates the healing process of wounds. Lemon is commonly used for treatment of numerous health problems, such as colds, constipation, acidosis, pneumonia, anemia, insomnia, flu, bronchitis, fever, cavities, asthma, kidney stones, rickets, inflammation, aphonia, pleurisy, tonsillitis, and hypertension. Cucumber. It's made of 96% water and is calorie low. 50 grams of cucumbers has only 10 calories. Cucumbers are extremely beneficial for weight loss regimens since it gives you a feeling of satiety. Health benefits of cucumbers: promotes the body detoxification, natural diuretic, prevents fluid retention, increases urination, protects the stomach walls, reforms the digestive system's mucus, natural laxative, clean the intestines, regulate the uric acid levels. Ginger. It is famous because of its specific flavor. It provides various health benefits, and because of that, it is commonly used for treatment of numerous health issues. Actually, ginger is rich in powerful anti-inflammatory features and contains amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is used for treatment of respiratory problems, expel phlegm, headache, common flu and colds, digestive problems, arthritis, depression, heart disease, improves blood circulation, dizziness, menstrual symptoms. Mint. This aromatic herb has a wide range of uses in the traditional medicine. It provides the following therapeutic benefits. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory features, mint improves the respiratory system and treats bronchitis and dry cough. Being an antiseptic, mint prevents the expansion of harmful microorganisms which prohibit the airways. It contains ascorbic acid which eases the mucus expulsion. Mint is amazing for the skin since it treats eczema, fights stress, combats flatulence, improves the blood circulation, fights insomnia, improves sleep quality. In traditional medicine, it's used for treatment of colds, flu, intestinal colic, diarrhea, asthma, vomiting. Mint, cucumber, and ginger lemonade. Ingredients: 10 fresh peppermint or mint leaves, 1 cucumber, 4 lemons, 1 ginger root, 2 liters water. Preparation and use: cut 1 lemon into slices and remove their seeds. Next, cut the cucumber and peel the ginger. Then, cut it in slices, 2. Then, squeeze the remaining 3 lemons to get lemon juice. Pour the water in a container and add the mint leaves, the lemon juice, cucumber slices, lemon slices, and ginger slices. Optionally, add stevia and store it in the fridge. Let it cool down for at 6 hours. When the mixture will be cooled, strain it and drink throughout the whole day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.